Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 14 of this building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to group one of the floors and then we paste it on each floor that we have on each level. So now we're going to work on this more, especially at the top, so that we have hit all finish. So here, level 35. I just want to double check through our north elevation the levels that we have. So we have level 35. I'm planning to just click on this and then click on copy. Maybe we could just click on multiple and then we could just type in 3000. So level 36, and then this one maybe around 5000. And then we're going to change this to roof, and then here is top of roof. So now we're just gonna cover this. So we need to go to view and then plan views, floor plan, and then select both of this and then press OK. After that, we'll be able to see it in our floor plan. So after that, let's select the roof first. And then here, what we're gonna do is let's go to one of the elevations, and then we need to extend this again in order for everything to be shown. So I did it in our north, and then east, we need to do that as well. So I'm just double checking now on all of them. Okay, and then west, let's double check as well. So that's good. So now we can go to our 35th floor. Why 35th? Because we need um, the way it is done, so that we could just cover those, and then we could just add it the roof at the top of it. So click on roof, make sure define slope is unchecked, and then we could just keep roof number 1, and then here let's change this to roof so that it will be placed on the roof. And then now let's select pick line. Hopefully we could just pick. There we go. I'm just gonna choose this. Click on finish, and let's look at it first. It looks fine, but it's outside of this. So I'm gonna undo that. Let's go to our 35th floor and delete that. Choose pick line again, and then let's offset this to around 100. So once we click here, it will be going to the outside. Spacebar. I want it to be offset outside though. So let's see. Instead of 100, let's do 200. Offset to 200 so that it's completely covered. There we go. And you just need to be patient and select this and you could just zoom in so that you could have more room to go to the right orientation. After that, click finish, show, click finish. I didn't see it. Self-intersecting spline are not allowed to sketch. So now let's check what is wrong with this. So there's something wrong here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna delete it and do it again. 200, zoom in and zoom in again. It's still the same problem. So might as well delete it now. And then let's just do it like we did before. So just click on roof 35, and then let's change this to roof, apply, and then here just select, and let's just select it like that again. Because this one worked and it's above that, so it doesn't matter. And then now we just need to go and add in the top. It's just gonna be some mechanical room. So we need to go to top of roof or roof itself. And then let's create a wall. And then we could just add in an exterior wall, number 3. Duplicate this. Okay. And then change this to a metal. So something metal will be good enough. Let's use this, apply, and then OK, and then OK. This one will be roof up to top of the roof. Delete the offset. We don't need that. And then here, let's select this, and I'm just gonna draw something like this. It doesn't need to be, or we could do a circle or a smaller ellipse. So let's do that instead. So click on ellipse around the midpoint, and let's add it like that. And then let's rotate it, RO, just a bit so that it's in the right circle. And then just look at it in 3D, how it looks. So that looks fine. That will be metal covering. and then we could just add in a slanted roof. So let's go to south elevation. So now we have it here. We're just going to slant our roof. So I'm gonna add in a roof again. So for the roof, I'm gonna click on roof by extrusion. Pick a plane. I'm gonna choose a plane like here, whatever's what we could use. And then from here, I'm going to slant it. Or we could just create the roof from there. So I'm gonna create a roof. Um, and then we could just manually do it for the floor. Edit type, duplicate, roof number 2. This will be the same material. So this will be bronze, I believe. Okay, so like that. And then here, it needs to go to the top of the roof and then select it from the outside. And then here, let's go to one of the elevation. So here we need to click on modify sub element. Let's go to 3D. And then here, we're gonna click that. And then we could actually move this one down. So we could go negative 1000 or 2000 or 1500. Let's look at it at 3D or at south elevation. Now it's looking like that. What we could do now is attach to top base. And I'm trying to select the and join it. So for some reason it's not showing. So for this one, it's not working for the attach face. So I'm going to undo this. So I'm gonna undo and I'm going to delete the roof instead. And then let's do it what we think of earlier. Click on roof or roof by extrusion. Pick a plane. Pick on one of the planes that are perpendicular. Top of the roof reference. And then here we're going to just create the slant. And then obviously we need to edit the profile. But it's going to be hard because of that. So I'm gonna undo this again. So it's actually very hard to just slant this. Modify. Negative 1500. And it doesn't make me do. So what I could do is, let's go to one of our elevation, and maybe we could just edit the profile or create an opening. So now I know it's not possible to edit the profile when it's circular or ellipse like that. So we're just gonna leave it like this. That's fine with me. I just want to show something different at the top anyway. So that's fine. But now what we could do is we could create the sheets. So what we could do is we could go here and the view and then click on sheet. Let's load in different title block. Um, let's use A or something A1 and then create new. Okay. And then title block. So, and then here we could just put in cover page. The project name is MG Building. You can change the author or the checker here right here as well. Maybe you could just put JP designer or drawn by JP page number, whatever you want right here. Owner EC Designs or Archcore Designs and whatever right here. And then after that, we could add in more. So go to view, sheets, same. Or instead of here, what we could do is, let's delete this and then do it new sheet right here so that everything will be already here as well. All information except for right here. Here we still need to change that as well. So here this will be first floor. Create new again, or right here, right click, new sheet, and then we can keep on adding new sheet as well. Multiple ways to doing this. Second floor. Third floor, typical. And then we need elevation. By the way, here we need to change this to, and then 3, 4, and then 5 again. This one, let's do elevations. And then another elevation. And then what we could do is I think that's about it that we could do. We could do section if you guys want. Let's go and just click here, section. And then now what we could do is the cover page will be, let's go to our, so let's clean up first. Let's go to our 3D after. So here we have our 3D. Obviously, we're still not done. We still need to create the floors right here. So we need to go to level 1 and then click on floor and then edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 5, and then here will be concrete. Let's go concrete. Let's use precast concrete. Press OK and then OK. I'm not sure if we have floor already for the first, which is we don't have. We only have floors for up to here. So I'm surprised. We could just edit this later on. But I'm surprised that we have floors there, but we forgot to push it from above here. So you know what? I'm just gonna finish this first. And then here for the floor here, edit. And then here we need to go around again. So delete this, pick this one. So for here, TR, and then delete this. We need to go around the building, delete this, and then click on that, TR. There we go. Now we need to pick on this. So we already have that. We need to pick on one of this. So TR. But before that, we need to actually pick this one first and then TR right here. Now we need to pick the rotation right here as well, similar to what we did before. And obviously that's an oversight of me not seeing that we did not extend those. Then now TR, sorry, escape TR, trim and extend. Make sure to join them all together. Okay, let's see if we miss anything. Show right here, TR, click finish, and then show again, which is right here, TR, and then I believe somewhere right here. There we go. Click finish, and we got our floor right there, and we just need to add in the floor for outside. This is the concrete? No. Now we just need to add in another floor. Edit type, duplicate 5, and then this is concrete. Precast, okay, and then okay. You need to pick the lines right here. Same idea. And then same idea right here as well. So we need to do it manually again. Around the perimeter. So only on this spot again. Okay, TR. Okay, let's look into this and see if we finish everything. Show. And then now that we have that, sorry, it shouldn't be like that. We need an outside. Basically, we're letting them know that this is for this side only. So this is for the sidewalk, and then we could just filter arc on this spot, and then filter fillet here as well. On this side we have a building, okay. For this we need to remove this because this is not a sidewalk. Instead, this will be for the outside. So we don't need this area to be with the floor, only up to this part. Okay, TR, and then click finish, show this part, which is right here. We could add in one more here as well. That's for the other building. So let's just add. So I'm just gonna click here, and then mirror this, draw axis mirror. So we have something similar at this side, but we're just gonna add in a different building. Oh, it's weird, it doesn't let me do a draw. There we go. TR, there we go. And then after that, we need to draw the road. So for the road, it's gonna be floor again. And then this will be edit type, duplicate 6. And then here, we're just gonna change this to lightweight. Press OK, OK. And this one will be height offset -200. We're gonna choose this to pick lines from the outside. And then now the outside or the perimeter of the building. And then select this to connect that. Select that. And then now we could just do this. So we're just gonna extend this all the way there and then here. Just make it big enough. Click finish, show. Here we just need to trim this. And then trim this as well. And then this TR, and then I believe somewhere right here as well, one more. There we go. Click finish, save the project. And then we have this huge area. So now we could just add in buildings around, and then at the background as well if we want to, but we could just go over that later on. What we have here is good enough to start. Obviously we still need to add in doors around the entrance right here, and then after that, once we finish that, we could add everything on our sheet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's create a starting view. So let's go to our level 1, and then let's go to our 3D view, drop down, and then camera. We're going to take a picture from here all the way there, and then it will generate a view which will be under right here. So 3D view number 1. Now we just need to change this to fine, and now we could just do a consistent colors first. And then obviously once we add in more information, we could you can see this one's better in terms of information and detail. So for now we have it like that. You can obviously rotate it from here, and then the view, and then in terms of, let's go back here, select this, and then go to level 1. As you can see, you'll be able to change again the orientation by selecting here or by moving it around. You can extend this as well. And then this view, 3D view, we could set this one as a starting view. So what we need to do is go to, let's look for it, starting view under manage. Not the last view, we need 3D view number 1. Press OK. So every time you open this, this will be the first thing that you'll be seeing. Let's save this. And we're going to continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.